This is code.org. Let's see what we're up to. Add in a style sheet. This developer has been working on some style for the page, but has forgotten to add a style sheet, so none of them work. Oh no! Alright, so inside the HTML page, add the code that will link, so they didn't forget to add the style sheet, right? This is the file right here. Inside the HTML page, add the code that will link the style sheet to the web page. Gotcha. Alright, so what we need to do is, well, literally this. So in between the head and the head dad, on line 4 is where I'm going to click. Make sure it's line 4 for you too. And I need to type what they got there. So I'm going to do the less than sign, which is next to the letter M, the word link, and notice that it goes pink here. Don't be scared. It's because we're not done with this yet. Now, I'm going to type in REL. REL stands for relationship. So I'm trying to tell the computer what this HTML file is going to be looking at. And it's going to be looking at the relationship. I can also, by the way, click or hit tab and it will autofill. Is a style sheet. So hey, I'm going to give you a link. The relationship to it is a style sheet. Make sure you put after the equal sign quotes around style sheet. Even a tiny little mistake will ruin it. HREF, space HREF, HREF. It stands for hypertext reference. So make sure it's HREF. I often accidentally will put HER, and nope, it's reference. HREF equals style.css. Now, why style.css? Make sure that's in quotes. That seems quapow. If yours doesn't update, refresh and save. Style.css seems random. It's not. Way over here, that's the name of this file. If this file, style.css name was fred.css, I would have to put that here. Now, the styles that are happening are over here, right? H1 tags are now purple, H3 tags are now orange, so on and so forth. Onward.